Yeah. Please tell me why when I was researching on my game on my iPad, then I showed you. But I saw it was like one of the anymore. I'm fine. Tell me why I was space. My child is space. No, I'm sure. No, yes. Wait, how did you show me? There's no never judge. I judge by these.
Hi guys, so So yesterday we started. Just close down this room. You worried about typing already? Alright, okay. Alright guys, so yesterday you guys were introduced to artificial intelligence, right? What do you all think about artificial intelligence?
Amazing.
It's amazing. Wow. Shreya, what do you think about artificial intelligence? It's good, right? James, what about you? What do you think about artificial intelligence? Shai, you want to help him, Cassidy? And what do you think about artificial intelligence? It's fun and cool? Alright. So guys, let's go back over to the presentation. Right? So we say human beings are intelligent for many reasons, right? Of the most obvious, because we have a brain, right? But you all know that with software, right? A computer is as good as the software, right? So if you understand how the brain works, right? Which the brain have these neurons inside it, right? What we could do is to simulate, right, the working of the brain. It's in software, right? So that we can give computers a brain similar to ours, right? And hence, the computers is gonna have intelligence that can rival our intelligence, right? Now, no brain is born mature, right? It starts from a baby. No brain is born mature, right? That's the start from a baby stage, right? Right, so it's just as how we train the baby, and you're all in school and learn everything, right? Training the brain to think. That's exactly what we have to do with the network, right? We have to train the network. And yesterday we imagined a hypothetical situation where we train this network, right? And we provided images of all the different cats, all the different breeds of cats. We provided those images, right? And let me see if I can point on the screen for you guys, right? So we provided all these images of all the different types of cats, right? And we sent it in. And when we sent it in, what did we say happened? What did you say happened? Right? Inside here, Sebastian. Inside here, guys, right? These connections are called synapses, right? And these are the actual neurons themselves, right? So what happens is that as the information is being received into the network, right, there's a lot of mathematics which is happening, right? So you are not really prepared to talk about the mathematics of what is happening there, right? There's a lot of interesting stuff, and basically all it is vector multiplication, right? It's very important. These little lines here, right, that we call the synapses, right? They are weighted, right? And those weights, right, simply just multiply the input. We find the sum of the inputs and we multiply the input, and then those values are normalized and sent to what is called an activation function. So the activation function is going to decide if this neuron can activate the other neurons, right? And that's how the information propagates through the system. And then what happens, right, is that we try to figure out how much information is being lost. How well is it doing, right? We call this a cost function. Sebastian, if you're doing something and you could figure out how much you're doing wrong every step of the way. So if you step right here, right? And you want to know, is this a step in the right direction? There's something called a cost function that can tell you if that is a step in the right direction, right? So the cost function tells you this is a step in the right direction. So you step here, no, that's not such a great direction. You step here, it tells you right, that's the direction, right? So that's what these arrows inside here, right? The process of training the network is minimizing the cost function, right? So that the network has optimal operation, right? So when the training process is done, what we say the computer do? We say, yes, I'm ready. The computer thinks, yes, I know what cats look like, right? So we do now, we take a picture of our cat at home, right? And we set it in. And when the computer say, yes, this is a cat, right? Analogous to how we recognize cats. When we look at a cat, how do we recognize cats? The fur, the tail, the face, right? We call it the whiskers, the eyes, the mouth. Right, the size of it. It is a cat. It doesn't look like a lion, right? It's a cat, right? It doesn't look like a jaguar. A jaguar is also a cat, right? But when we as human beings look at a cat, right? We see a cat by identifying the features which are consistent to what we know from our past experience of what a cat looks like. All right? Cool? So when we see a dog, what do we do? How we know that there's a dog and there's a cat, right? Well, some dogs are sweet and they're not very aggressive. Yeah? Like huskies. Alright? So guys, we look at features. That is how we are able to decide if this thing is a dog or this thing is a cat. Right? So when we train the network to identify with what a cat is, all the neural network is doing, guys, the phone is distracting you. So shut up. All you can't download the game in class. Right. So all the network is doing is automatically extracting the features of a cat. Yeah? So whenever we send a cat inside here, since the network knows what the features of a cat is, right? The data is going to stream through in a way such that the choice is made. Yes, that is a cat, right? Remember we said that this is a classification problem. So we can do it with dogs too. Yeah? But right now, our network is only trained, right? It's only trained to know dogs, right? It's not trained to know cats. So when we said the thing and answer, is this a cat? What did network go and say? No, that's not a cat, right? But we can train the network to be able to know dogs too, right? So remember we were saying that we can train the network to know anything and everything, right? Yeah? So all the animal kingdom, you can train a computer to know all the animals. All you have to do is to take a picture of it. Right? And then ask the computer, what is this? And it knows. Alright? In today's times, it is so accurate. Even when you try to trick the computer, it will know, hey, it's a trick. Well, what if you're trying to see if the computer would fail? What if you're trying to give it a cat and it will say, no, that is not a cat? You are testing to see how accurate this intelligence is. Alright? And the accuracy of this intelligence is about 99% in today's times. Very, very accurate. Right? Some, in many cases, even better than that of a human being. Right? So, yes. Okay. So, guys, I can pull it up quickly. I'm gonna close down this screen here, right? So let's close it down, and I know that that screen is still being displayed. I'm gonna move something on it like this, right? So, watch this, guys. On your computer. Everybody, go to Google and search for web, right? And you're going to see that there is this source that talks about web application development and so on and so on, right? We just want to click that one. It is tech target. Click that one, guys. Right? And you'll see a whole set of writing here, right? You're seeing that? You're seeing all that writing on the screen? Right? So these people, right, are informing us about this process of web app development and so on and so on and so on, right? In the top right hand corner of your screen, right, you all should be seeing it. Right? Everybody on that? Any problems? You had it there. All right, so everybody on this page? Who is not on that page?
Me, and everybody who got it, 6 seconds. Much. I don't want to capture it. It's not on that, but it is.
Hey, you all playing too much, eh? Are they separate you all? All right, so remember what we did, guys. So I'm gonna do it over, right? We go to google.com like that. right? And here we type web. Just web alone. All right? That's all. So we type web. We could go down to the World Wide Web. You all see the World Wide Web? Wikipedia? Yeah, I don't go to google.com, right?
I type in Google and then I went to Google and I type web.
I don't go to google.com. Google.com. Yeah. Alright, so the internet connection is not so great today, right? But at least my computer picked it up, right? Right, so you all could see what I have on my screen. So you can see this is Wikipedia talking about the World Wide Web, the history of it, what it is, and all this kind of thing, right? Everybody seeing that?
No. I still don't Google.
Everybody have any same issue?
So my internet.
James have it? Alright, that's what.
It's in this section I can reach. I have 2 dots here, and everybody else has. I guess my phone has full dots.
Just now. Alright, so for everybody who get an internet connection, that's okay.
One day I got that.
All right, guys, right? So, hey, everybody getting access to Google. When you type google.com, right? You're gonna go to the right hand corner of the screen. So I'm gonna. You on the page? You're on the same page, right? So we're gonna open a new tab, right? For those who have an issue, go back to google.com. Right, so you can see I type in google.com, right? In the top right hand corner here now. I'm going to show you something. Stop right hand corner. And you're going to click those three dots. Right? This app called Chance. What do you see it? What do you see the translate app? Alright, so it's back online now. Let me go across, right? So everybody should have this, these three little dots on top of the screen, right? So when you click it, you're gonna see the Google Translate there. Everybody seeing that? Everybody seeing that, right? Now, if you click this button, it becomes permanently affixed. So you don't have to search for it. So click that button there, and you're gonna see permanently affixed here. Right? So we could close this thing. Once you click that button, it's permanently available here for us, right? That's it.
Okay,
Yeah, so you click this one, right? And then you click this thing here, which means pin it. No, the little pin. It's a pin. Yeah, a little pin arrow thing, yeah. You click that, and then it comes up here. Right? So it's permanently affixed right there for you. So now you want to right click on this thing, right click on it. Right click on it, right? And then guys, you could go to options. Our language is English. We could change it to, you want it in Hindi? Right? We're going to change it to Hindi, right? Look Hindi here. We change it to Hindi, right? You're seeing that? And then we can save it. So once that is saved, guys, right? Our page here, we could translate if we wish, right? We could translate this page. Everybody on this page? Right, so let's see if we can translate. I can click to show it pop up, right? And then we save that. Right, so once that option is saved, everybody, we could go ahead and translate anything now into Hindi. Who ready? Which one are you right clicking on? That's don't go down to the bottom. You on the same page that I'm on? Right? You're on the Wikipedia page, right? Alright, so everybody should be on the Wikipedia page, right? So we have the World Wide Web and we have everything here on this Wikipedia encyclopedia, right? So we wanna highlight some stuff. Let's say we're gonna highlight here to here, like that. Right, look, the Google Translate option comes up. Everybody see it? A little icon that pop up here. And click that little icon, right? Look at that, it translates to Hindi first, one time. Everybody see that? Yeah, it's there. It's there. Alright, we'll highlight. Alright, so that's just one language, right? That's the base for all the other languages. Okay? Right, so you all have access to that at your fingertips. Right, everybody seen it? Coming around. You have it already. Right, let's see it. So everybody, see? So now the entire page has been converted into these. Those are okay because it is one of these subjects. Yes, I know. Dropping stuff. Yeah, it seems to be on the right way. That's it. What you guys think? All right, guys. So everyone has had the luxury, right, of doing what? Translating their web page, right, as they so desire. Isn't that right, guys? Yeah. I'm gonna go across and instructions was just to click on this thing. The entire page is what is going to be translated, right? Now, you all, I was saying just to highlight a few words like this, and then select this option. You'll see the chat icon come up. Sometimes you'll see come up on the top icon, and everybody has it on their screen, right? That the whole thing has been translated to Hindi, not so? Everybody get that? Yeah. All right, so my language is still English, right? So I want to set my language to Hindi, right? And let's see what my options see. Yeah, so my options is in Hindi, right? Right, if we don't have good internet connection, guys, we're gonna have some serious troubles, right? I think I just got it there. Where is it? All right, look at it. Translate this web page. And that's the option you want to see, right? That option is gonna translate the entire web page for you in Hindi, right? Look, it says here. Right, that's the default language that we have that we want to translate to, right? That's the language here, right? And we could translate the whole thing into Hindi if we wish, or any other language, right? You're gonna recall how to do this. So it have times that you're gonna come up on websites, right? That are Spanish or Chinese, right? So I'm gonna type Chinese websites, right? But they're in English, right? 10 most popular Chinese websites. When you go to these websites, they know exactly which part of the world you are, and they just translate the language for you, right? But look at this. There's certain things that is not translated. You all see that? Look at this. These things are translated, and that's why the Google Translate is so important. Right? Look at that. So we have everything else in here. What does this mean? All right, so for those of you who logged in to your Google, all right, remember, we go to Google, right? Google.com, and in the top right hand corner, we click the 3 little dots. Everyone remember that? Just click the 3 little dots. My internet connection is not very good. New window. I'm gonna bring this across on this side so that you guys can see it a little bit more clear, right? Google.com. And then you want to select these three little dots once it loads, right? Everybody see that? Do that on your screen. And we're going to go to photos. This time we're gonna go to photos, right? And we're going to be able to search those photos for anything. So now, let's say you went to the beach and you want to find the photos of the beach. You just type, come up, just like that. Right? But you don't have that luxury. Google does, right? Once you upload your pictures, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at now, guys. You all click in here and you're going to photos, right? Everybody click and go to photos. All right? Everybody click and go to photos. Everybody again? Who can't load up? All right, so everybody who is on the 4G, try to go on the 5. On the charger or on the all right. All right, so anybody think, right? You need to you logged in right here? Right. So I'm gonna come around. I'm gonna make sure that everybody gets to where they need to be.
It was that.
Yeah, the internet here is really suffering. There were days when we were able to have uninterrupted session, right? We try. All right, so guys, the photo's gonna come up, right? So you always see those are pictures of me, right?
Yeah.
Right? This is our movie town. And if I go to the search, right? If I go to the search, look what happens when I click search. Look at that. Everybody who I have photos of, their face coming up. Right? So if you all take a picture of your friend, and that friend, right, is then uploaded to your Google Cloud, your cloud storage. The fact that your friend is there, Google knows that your friend is in your pictures. Alright? And they're gonna identify everybody who's in your pictures. Even babies are being identified. Yeah. So guys, don't worry about it. It's the internet. It's not your computer. You guys? Alright, so you all can look at my screen, right? So look at that. So by the time I want to click, it is see all people. If I click see all people, everybody who I have a picture of is gonna come up there. Alright, and as I was showing you guys earlier, if I type beach, look what happens. Alright, look at that. All the pictures of the beach come up. Just like that. If I type dog, all the pictures with dogs inside here is gonna come up. If I type cat, likewise. Right? Isn't this scary? Isn't it scary? You take a picture of me, right? And Google's gonna show you that you have a picture of Takpin and your thing. Right? When you go to the search, my face is gonna come up because my pictures exist in your cloud. Anytime I take a picture on your phone, right? It is gonna be saved automatically in cloud. Right, Shreya, you have a phone, right? Sebastian, you have a phone, right? You take pictures? Take pictures, right?
Yes. I have one question. What's the meaning of that speech?
What's it? That's Maracas speech.
I know Maracas.
That's Maracas speech, guys. What is Maracas speech? Right? What is Maracas speech? This guy will sing for us something, and you know, this guy will sing. But that's my sisters. This guy will sing for us. But they don't live in China. They live in China, right? Anyhow, right? Last time they were here, we were on the beach, right? And this guy was saying for us, and we give him a little money, right? So, guys, understand the power of artificial intelligence, right? It's built into most of these things, and you don't know. You guys don't know, right? Everything that is on social media, if you have a Facebook account, right? All these big corporations know you by face, right? All of them know you by face, right? And if you happen to be in a picture in Amsterdam, somebody in Amsterdam snap a picture, and then upload it to the cloud. One time, the artificial intelligence knows that you are from Trinidad, but you're in Amsterdam. We don't take a picture of you in Amsterdam.
So it's not Amsterdam, it's Instagram.
No, Amsterdam is a place. Yes, that's your person. Exactly. Right? Hackers could have access to this information, right? That's why it's a constant fight. That's okay. Right? Everybody have internet problems together, right? At least see it on my screen. Right? So guys, that's why it is a constant fight between the people who are considered good and the people who are considered bad. Right? Both parties have the knowledge. Some gonna use it for malicious intentions. So somebody want to hack Shreya, right? Someone want to hack you, if they have the knowledge, they could use it for malicious intentions. Right? But there's somebody who also have the knowledge to hack you but wouldn't hack you and try to protect you from the hacker. Right? So those are the two parties involved, right? Right? So guys, killers. Oh, it's crazy to think how killers could use this information against us, right? But the important thing is that you guys know about it. Right? That's the important thing, right? It don't matter how young you are, once you have a profile, you are automatically identified. Right? Remember we talk about the voice? Huh? In that telecommunications have a responsibility. Every time you talk to somebody and you call somebody, right? Your voice is recorded. They know your voice. Right? Anytime you speak, remember Sebastian? Nobody sounds like you. Nobody ever has and ever will sound identical to you. Right? That is a biometric. Right? Only you sound that way. Alright? So we have to bear in mind that when we use these resources, we must use it responsibly. Right? We talk about is the same thing that makes the cars able to drive on their own, right? Yeah? Alright? Now, wanted to do another exercise with you guys to show you all the power of artificial intelligence. But now, right? We're gonna switch back on the AC, you can close it door because for what I'm gonna do next, you don't need the internet. Right? And you are gonna be astonished for what comes next. Alright? Remember we talk about Python. Right? You're gonna write some code. You're gonna write some code. You're gonna write some code, remember it's coding, right? All this artificial intelligence stuff is programming, right? You all have the foundation for that already. Okay? And guys, right? Remember? Somebody made the work. That's why we have this luxury. Right? Today, somebody did the work. You're gonna have to do the work. Your generation gonna have to do the work so that future generations could live with more privileges. Right? If the people who designed the cell phone didn't go to school for much years and study hard and learn all the things they learn to make the cell phone, you and I wouldn't have the cell phone, right, Sebastian? And be thankful for the people who make the cell phone. They didn't play football as much as me and you. They didn't want to play cricket as much as me and you and line and play game and think, pyong, 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 pyong. No. They studied hard and all that knowledge they gave them, they make the phone. They live very disciplined lives, right? That is how we privilege to have the phone today. Likewise, we have a responsibility to the future in that we must work hard now, right, to create better privileges for them. Alright? Alright? So, I'm going to show you guys something most fascinating in that you're going to see my actual work, right, and how powerful your cell phone camera is and what we could do with it. You all ready? No, you're not going to code now. Yes. You're not going to code now, guys, all right? So I'm going to close this down. Okay? And you all would have seen the whole coding thing and, you know. All right? You all getting a kind of piece up with that. Right? You all getting a little break. No, not now. I'm going to show you guys something, right? So, who have a cell phone? Me. Who want to be? I have myself, right? Who want to be in the video that we're going to put? We're going to use AI on that video. Who wants to be in the video? Sebastian, Cassidy, you want to be in the video? later. Come, Sebastian. Sebastian have to be in that video. Right? Alright, so Sebastian's gonna hold up this hand, right? And he's gonna turn around like this, right? First, right? And we're gonna send that video to the AI. And we're gonna see what the AI is able to do, right? We're gonna extract a skeleton. Right? Right? Sebastian, right? Shares it. Share what you're doing. Right? Alright, Sebastian. Hold on. Let's move this from here. Right? Alright, Share, you see right here, right? I wanna make sure that I'm seeing everything. Sebastian's hands and everything. Right? Right. So I'll tell you what to do, right, Sebastian? Right? So first we're gonna take a picture of Sebastian, right? Sebastian, hold it up the time, right? Hold up the time, Sebastian. Then put your hands up in the air like this. Alright, so this is when he put his hands up in the air, right? Right, share the picture. Right, Sebastian put his hands up in the air, right? Sebastian, I want you to put one hand out and the next hand up like this, right? Right, so you see all the different poses, right? Right? Alright. You just play cricket? Let's see Brian Lara batted before? You like Brian Lara before? Right. So we do this one, right? Alright, so now we have the pictures, right? I'm gonna do the video after. We have these pictures of Sebastian. We don't know what Sebastian's skeleton look like. But with AI, we could figure it out. Right? So I'm gonna show you guys how exactly we're gonna do that. Now when I take those pictures, it is automatically uploaded to the cloud. Alright, you all hear me? Automatically uploaded to the cloud. So what I'm gonna be doing now, see if I can do this quickly. I'm gonna get those pictures of Sebastian on my computer. Right? And then I'm gonna be doing, yeah. Let's see how quickly I can get it. Close this down. I want to get the MATLAB on that side. Not even sure if the screen is still sharing, is it? Nope, it wasn't. You have to get the boy a chance. What? Do not do that. Do not open anybody's face, okay? That's not nice, okay? That's great.
I didn't deal with Nelly. I have to deal with
All right, so Sebastian, we getting those pictures of Sebastian, all right?
we can get a nice screen and I can take a picture of
Why you want to embarrass the boy? What's your problem? What's wrong?
The dog has a very long time, especially the other one.
All right, so who remember we talked about MATLAB? Remember we talked about MATLAB? Huh? Anybody? All right, so I'm going to go to the desktop. See if I can get algorithms here.
is not. I want my avatar is a ball. I am Sarah.
See what I have on the next up.
1 back.
Oh, you want to take the picture of Sebastian on ice cream?
Yeah.
You know this, yeah?
7 a.m.
Sebastian, you see what you want to do here?
Yeah.
Yeah, she want to do your goodness.
I'm so embarrassed.
Those is modern boys. Oh Lord. Alright, so I'm not getting any pictures of Sebastian. Alright. So I have 2 pictures of him already from my phone. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. Alright, guys, that's a lot. Sebastian. Mm-hmm.
Watch this. I look cute. I'm like you. I'm not looking at that. I'm there too.
Oh, Michelle. Huh? Alright, guys, I just waiting for it to load up.
That's correct. This is actually I pulled out a computer. I know that's a new one.
Sebastian, what's wrong with it? Behaving yourself? All right, so, I think, all right, so look at loaded there now, guys. All right, so we ready, Sebastian, you ready? Let's see Sebastian's face. Might go through very, very quickly. Gotta wait for it. Sebastian, look at that. Look at Sebastian. Hold on, it went off. Just so guys, I'm gonna have to do it again. That one? Oh, you wanna take pictures of him? Alright, Sebastian, here it comes.
Yeah, keep drummer. Let's lift up the drummer.
Alright, coming up on my side again. I have to get it quickly and bring it across there. Alright guys, it's a little challenging for me to get it because it's coming up on this screen. And I'm trying to pull it across here quickly. Let's see. Wait, look at it, hold on. You're almost. Alright, hold on. Right, we're gonna need some more pictures, right? Because that's what's causing it. Right? I'm gonna pull down this one and just show that one alone, right? Let's see if I can do that. I'm gonna duplicate. All should be able to duplicate. Right.
My God, look at me.
Okay. Right. Alright, so guys, it's gonna come up. Okay, it's shown on this one here.
Screen share. Oh my God,
look at it. I said, come on, look at that. Sebastian, you all see that it found where Sebastian's eyes are? Did you all see that, guys?
Yeah.
You see it found his eyes and stuff? Alright. Just a second. It's a little difficult. Alright, so those are the pictures of Sebastian, right? Let's see, look at coming back there now. Alright, look at that. So this is when he sat up like this, right? You see, look at his eyes and his ears. You see the AI detecting his eyes and his ears? You see it? Right? Now we could do a video. Who wants to make a video? Alright, so Cassie, you're gonna walk. Cassie, you're gonna walk. Push your chair inside, right? And you're gonna walk straight up, right? And we're gonna capture you walking. Right? And we're gonna put it on the AI. The AI gonna, right? For you walking and everything, right? So push in the chair, you stand up there. You see them going already. For God, you hold on stop. Alright, push in the chair, stand up. Push the chair inside now and stand up. I'm gonna take the video. Come. You wanna see Sebastian? Somebody else now.
I'm not going up, but I'm going to do it. I did it.
I don't even tell you guys. Right?
Look, come on, James.
Actually, you know, see what they go. James, everybody shot?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, look at this. Look out.
Yeah, right? So, Mike, pull it inside the glass, right? You're gonna walk to the camera. Walk to the camera. I just walk to the camera and say hi. Right? Alright, so we have that video, right? Let's see what's gonna happen. Right? We're gonna pass that into the air, right? And it's gonna track all his movements, right? And show us what the skeleton inside his body is doing, right? And it's gonna identify his eyes and his ears and his nose and everything. Alright? So let's see, guys. 1 second. Alright. So I'm gonna have to pull it up. Okay, yeah, so that one good. That one not accept. One here? Nope. Alright, so you all think that is cool?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
We could do it live, you know. Somebody could stand up in front of the camera and do work live. Right, in front of this camera here. Alright? And it could do multiple people at the same time. So I'm gonna put it on the screen, right? And then everybody in front there could pull up, walk around, hold up your hand, and you're gonna see it in real time here. Right? As the AI is doing its stuff. Okay? You wanna do that one?
I will not do that. I will sit down and information. Yes, I will sit down. I am not that good. I just not there. But see.
Alright, so I'm downloading the video now, right? And then we're gonna run the video. you want to run away, yes? Huh? James, you want to be on the video? Huh? Camera. Alright, so I think I downloaded that video already. So let's try it now. Where is it? I might have to duplicate my screen. Sebastian. Where's the video of Mike? Right. Alright, so this one is going to be a little mic and MP4 control. Oh, wait. Examples, media. Yeah, mic got it. So it should be good. Right, now we're going to try this thing. Hold on. Alright, so we're going to get mic now. Right? I should coming up on this one. Sorry guys. I have to try and move it across quickly over soon. Can you all see Mike there? Hold on, look, nice Mike there. Guys are in trouble here. Trying to move it across to the screen. Alright, you all seeing it? Take a look at it. Right? So you all seeing it at 0.9 frames per second. Sebastian. Right? So take a look at that. Right? Even though she is here, right? You can see what the AI is doing, right? It's tracking Michael, right? You all seeing that, guys? Right? Look at this. It's accurately identifying his eyes, his nose, his ears, his mouth. Right? This here is his neck. This is his shoulder bones, right? You see that? And then there's his hips, right? Straight down to his toes, right? He's gonna come in front of the camera and gonna say hi. Right, guys? You all seeing that? You all would like to code this for yourself?
No, not for today.
No coding for today? No? No coding for today, guys? You can't get away from coding. Alright? No, remember, you are supposed to be learning to code this place up, right? You all learned all these skills before, right? And all that was preparing you for this. Okay? What if I tell you we can make a 3D version of Michael? Just from this. You can get a 3D version of Michael. You all want to see that?
Yeah.
We can get a 3D version of Sebastian too. Right? So we could take a picture of somebody and turn them into 3D. AI is doing that. So people up his hands, right? Look at that. See? Look at where this is localized. Exactly right at the wrist. Is detecting exactly where the wrist position is. See it? His eyes and his nose, right? See it? Now that his toes is missing, right? It's suffering very down here and it's paying attention to me alone. Right? You see that, guys? Look at that. See? Right? Well, his hand is up like this. Everybody see that? Yeah? Alright, so we're gonna try a live. We're gonna try a live one, right? So everybody down there, right? Could be on the camera and you'll see it in real time on this side, right? Let's see. I can pull that up. Hold on. Alright, so I have more than one cameras connected to the system. And I gotta find which one is the correct one, right? So 1 second, guys. Yeah, we have 5 minutes. Start. All right, so where do I get it? Models. The model can. All right, so because my webcam is actually active in the, all right, I'm gonna stop my video and let's see if I could call it. I'm gonna try and call it on myself here, right? Yes, no. All right, I'm gonna try to call it with this camera instead. Hold on, 1 second. Let's see if this works. All right, so yeah, you guys can see me now, right? And this is from the camera that is pointing at me. All right, look at that. That's from the camera that is pointing at me. You're seeing that? And that is in real time. So I'm trying to put up my hands here. So the camera should be seeing my hands. You're seeing that, guys? Yeah? All right, so what I want to do, I want to set it to this camera here. That's a little technical because I have Zoom and all kind of thing running. So I have to be typing a whole set of code, right, to make this possible. Give me a second. Hmm? So, guys. All right, so the last thing I want to do is tags. It's 12:01. Right, tune this camera. All right, so I think I found it. Let's see if this is gonna work. So it's camera. Camera 3. See if that's gonna work. Could be open coming from. Let's try camera 0. And so camera 0 is this one in front here. I'm gonna try camera 1. And I believe this should work now. All right, so everybody could go and stand in front there and I'll be able to pull it so you guys can see. Right, so that is 0 now work there. Why you don't want to go? Camera 1. This should work. All right, look at it, guys. Voila. Everybody can go and stand up and we'll pick up everybody. Check that out. You'll pick up everybody. You see that? Sure, go ahead. Sebastian, go. Right? I go and go, right? You want to go down here. Right? So you pick it up everybody, right? Stella, I don't come in with you. You're going to pick me up too. Right? Stella, voila. Picking me up. Sebastian, where are you hiding? Come, Sebastian. Right, guys? So you all see the power of AI. Right? Sure, everyone. Yeah, sure. She was behind. Right? What do you all place? All of the AI engineers, all of them autonomous cars, autonomous drones. Huh? You all make intelligent robots. Huh? You all gonna be future Google engineers? Huh? You're gonna be future Google engineers? Anybody?
No, I want to be a
You're gonna be engineer for this Walt Disney? Production and animation production? Huh? For Cartoon Network?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you like what Cartoon Network? All right. So you all deserve a break. Why